It's snowing. Maybe Santa will bring us some Greg.
Some Greg?
Yeah.
I don't want Santa Claus shoving a man down the fucking chimney. That's terrifying. Are you on fire?
Ah! 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 I'm on fire! Ah! Ah! Oh, I'm okay. Get him!
Hit it with your axe! Hit it with your machete!
Get him! Get him! Ah, get him! Get him!
Matt hops! Woo! Oh! Ah! Ah!
Jesus, I just watched it fly off.
I'm fine. He's alive!
Hmm?
He's
Who's
alive!
Oh, holy shit. There's another person.
Oh my god, are you okay? How are you doing?
Oh. My bad. Well, he's not gonna need this stuff anymore.
Friend!
Hey.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
Listen, your friend down the thing, he kind of fell down.
Oh, you got a lot of cool stuff here. Oh.
I know what it looks like.
I
swear to God, he just fell over.
I don't know, man. It's
I
okay. I
swear to
murdered
God.
one too. It's all right.
No,
Wait!
don't leave! I'm right here!
Damn it!
Take us away! How do you not see us?
Motherfucker!
Hey! Ow!
I think he's
the
landing.
blades hurt! The blades
Oh,
hurt!
ow! Ow! Don't run into those! Don't run into those! Don't run into those!
Let me in, you bitch!
They better land. They better fucking
me.
land!
Just, it's on autopilot!
Oh no. Alright, land down here.
Ah! Ah! Look out!
Where are you? Oh, hey. Hey, watch out, there's a person over there. He might try to eat you. Oh, there's bodies here. Hey, it's our friend.
Hi, please don't die all of a sudden. I really need you to...
He had ammo. Oh, yeah, he's dead.
Oh, fuck.
Ah, what? What's going on?
So you remember those people in the white dresses with the little reef heads in the woods before we set up our house? We walked over and saw them all dead.
Oh, yeah.
So, there's this Asian dude, right?
Uh-huh.
And he has a gun, and he's just walking around in the woods, scaring the shit out of them, and as they're running through the woods, he's killing them for sport.
Oh.
And then he finds the ones that are sleeping and executes them in front of everyone else.
Oh, God.
Needless to say, I don't think cannibals are the only problem we have.
Well, I want to make the Greg so I have it so I don't have to make it later.
You need to stop eating people. Like, I don't feel like we have this conversation enough, right? There's deer. There's moose. There's chocolate bars. There's plenty of food.
You're probably right, but
No, there's no but about it.
it's just
Stop
much
eating
easier.
people.
It's much easier to eat the people that are trying to kill us.
I'm glad it's easier for you to eat people, but stop.
Oh, fuck! What the hell? Jackal? Jackal, are you still alive? Oh god, I'm sliding! What the fuck? Help! Oh! Oh, a floating body. Great. Jackal? I can skin this to get it over there. Yes. Oh, more creepy skin. Oh! Oh!
Still here.
Hey, what's up?
Is it still here?
Was it polka dot?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it drowned.
Oh.
Yeah, I cut it up already. See it?
Okay. I was wondering where it went.
I didn't know where you went.
Bad.
It sees us. It's a polka dot. It's a polka dot, man.
How do I only own one arrow?
Ow. Jackal. Jackal. Get him. Jump his ass. Ow, he knocked me on my ass. Get a Molotov. Back off and get a Molotov.
No, we got him. We got him. We got him.
Get me.
Alright, we got him. We got him. Everything is fine. We're okay. Let's keep moving.
I'm hurting. I'm on the ground.
We just gotta keep moving.
My leg. Snap it back into place.
Oh, okay. Hold still.
No. Ow.
Better?
I'm gonna skin this man.
Oh, okay. Oh!
Hey, do you have any medication?
I have a pickaxe.
Hey, that might be good. Do we want to mine this?
No.
Hey, get out of there.
Ah!
Hey, I saved you.
Get back in the sack.
No!
Clear!
Jesus.
That's some tough ice. I have something to show you.
Is it your shoe? What are you doing there?
Hookah, booka, booka. Hello? They're coming out of the ground!
Shit! What the fuck?
What is that?
Get your gun.
Get the gun. Get the gun. I asked you several times, are they actually dead when they're dead? And you sit there and question me when I say bad to make sure they're dead. Now, do you understand why you say bad?
I understand now. Those were scary motherfuckers. There it is. Shoot
There
it!
they
Shoot
are!
it!
What the
Shoot
fuck?
it!
It's
Shoot it!
two!
Shoot it! 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 Shoot it!
Oh, fuck!
Hey, we killed this one. Skin him. Bang.
See, that's how you do it.
Do you want to stop and sleep before we go over here? Because it can get bad.
It can get. What do you mean get bad?
It's stop. There's red. There's literal red light. You know what? That's just bad.
It's a
Oh,
flare.
it's a
Someone
flare.
could be in trouble, you idiot.
Oh, okay. Hey,
Oh,
pal.
thank God we made it in time. Dude, he
Hey.
wanted to go to fucking sleep before we came and saved you. All right, listen, man. Just hold your breath. Every single one of them.
All right.
Why do you always do this?
Here's some ammo. These people really don't want to live.
Uh-oh.
I don't. Sorry. Oh, you're. Get up. Get up.
What
Get
just
up.
happened to me?
A cannibal came and knocked you out.
Oh, did you get him?
Yeah, I got him.
Okay.
We're gonna have to go down, aren't we?
I'll go first. It's okay.
Hey, I don't have to go first for once. I did not like that.
I'm going deeper. I'm going deeper. I don't want to. I don't want to be up there right now. Oh, there's a lot of supplies down here.
Holy crap.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my lord, there's an arm.
Stop. Just stop.
I know, I didn't take it though. I didn't take it.
The hell?
I'm doing better.
We can make a what? A lamp out of a leg?
I need it! I'm grabbing the leg. Oh, it's an arm.
You need a leg. It has to be a leg.
I really want that. You have no idea. Oh, never leave the island. I don't want to stay here.
What they're saying is like there's some dimensional shit going on with this island, and it's turning all of the peaceful people that we see those guys executing into these cannibals that dine on human flesh, and the dimensions that these demons come from is a completely different ethereal plane that's crossing into our dimension and could converge and change our whole fabric of our reality.
Ramen noodles.
What have we learned?
Not to wear other people.
Good. When you get that armor off, then you can sit up front again. Oh, yay. There's always good things when a spotlight's pointing at a rock wall full of fucking insignias of ancient aliens that want to come and abduct us.
We should throw C4 at it. Lona, who's boss. We got this. We got this.
Shh, shh, just be quiet. I don't think they can hear us.
They can wear that.
Shut up. Run.
Bitch.
Ugh. Come on! I said shut up, let's go! Right there. On the ground. Ooh, a skin pouch.
Oh, oh, oh.
Holy shit! Bambi ain't gonna stand no chance.
Bambi really isn't gonna stand a chance. Good thing we have these rifles.
I thought this was out.
Careful now.
Hello? Is there anybody in here?
Huh.
Oh, what is that?
Oh.
Is it up? Is that upside down? Oh, oh. Why did
I
the
can't
ceiling
see,
just
I
shoot?
can't see, I can't
What is
see.
that? Oh, fucking hell.
Oh!
Ah!
Light the way!
What the?
It got me! I got it! Keep shooting it!
It kicked me! Punched me! I don't know!
You still alive? Still alive? Did we get it? No!
Run!
Oh.
I got it.
Oh, it's in pieces.
Yeah, that's what an explosive does to people.
Oh, ah!
What is it? Oh, oh, ah, ah!
So, oh, I'm getting a rash. Ah! Shit!
This is really
Ah! Jackal? Oh, hey, how you doing? We're swimming now.
Dude,
I don't even know. I slipped, I fell, I tripped,
how
and then
are we gonna get out?
I don't know! Just swim!
You know how deep we are?
Very! Okay. The waterfall here?
Ugh.
We know you like waterfalls.
Ugh. Where the fuck are we?
I don't know. I don't.
We're gonna be turned into monsters.
I
We're
don't
the
wanna-
children.
I don't want to be a monster. Do you have a flare?
Yeah.
This looks like a big open area. And you said that's bad. Oh, man.
Oh. Oh, I love this.
There's people, I saw a thing.
Yep, there's a sacrificial altar over there.
Let's kind of walk
legs!
around.
Legs! Legs!
Oh, shit! Okay. We're gonna have to shoot this thing. Oh, Jackal!
What the fuck is that? Stop touching! Oh, it's got so many mouths! Ducky! Ducky, stand back! Get away from it!
Get him!
Ducky,
Get him!
Oh, I'm back again. Did it die?
Yes!
Oh, fuck, how many fucking grenades did you throw?
Enough!
Oh.
Is that a spaceship?
What the fuck is going on?
Try not to get struck. Go to the back, they boarded it up.
What?
They boarded the back up.
With wood?
Yeah!
They need to stop using wood for this shit!
What's in here?
did this get down here?
I don't. What's this? Oh, I found something cool. Oh, he's being shocked.
I
Oh!
think this is another artifact.
Ancient
Watch out.
armor.
Oh! I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make you naked. Oh, you're dead. No. Okay, sorry about that.
Well, we did a thing. You should wear that armor. I think it'd look good on you. Oh,
Well,
look at you!
I can't.
Oh, dude, you don't even know. You're wearing like this like skull suit.
What do we do about all the dead astronauts?
Well, they're dead, so nothing.
Okay, so like, hear me out, right?
Uh-huh.
A spaceship's God knows how deep in the Earth.
It's made of gold, looks like.
Astronauts, ancient artifacts. Can you just believe me about the children thing?
It's starting to get a little bit more believable.
You know, I have shotgun shells, a rifle, a pistol. I have a fucking machete, an axe, and I still don't have a fucking can opener.
Ah, fuck! God damn it!
Ah, fuck! God damn it!
Shut up.
Oh my god!
Stab
Oh my
it! Stab it!
god!
Stab it!
What
Stab
the
it!
way
Stab
to
it!
go
Stab
out
it!
was
Stab it!
that?
Stab it! 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 Throw fire! Throw fire! Throw fire!
Wait up!
Oh!
Looking at the.
Ow!
You okay there?
No! My health is dwindling. Quick.
Dwindling. That's a rather big word for you.
Fuck you!
Can you spell dwindling for me?
No, I can't. Alright, leave me alone. D W E I.
No.
Oh. D W I
Uh-huh.
D
No.
D W I N
Yeah.
D
Yeah.
L E or no L I N G.
Dwindling. Dwindling.
Dwindling.
Dwindling. Dwindling.
Did I not add a D?
You did not add a D.
Oh.
You said
I was
dwindling.
close. I was
Dwindling.
close.
Dwindling. My health is dwindling.
Oh.
Hello.
Lovely. You
Oh, he's been executed.
yeah. Well, I guess let's look at some stuff here. Oh, he has some more pans. Cracker. Silencer. Come get the silencer and grenades.
I just figured out what the GPS locator is.
What is that? Meds. Oh my god.
It's what pops up on the map.
Oh, for this other stuff?
The circle, the blue circle with a question mark.
Yeah, it's those other ones, right?
Yeah, so every one of those things that pop up on our map has a locator. And if we pick up the locator, it goes off the map.
Oh. Hey, there's a paper over here. Dimensional swift?
Dimensional
There's
disturbance.
swifties?
We detected an unusual
hoodie.
burst 7 months ago. Readings were similar to what we would see in a brief dimensional switch. Oh my god.
Hey, wear this hoodie. You'll be a little less cold. Hey, the drone.
A hoodie? Oh, wait, I'm just putting something together here.
Huh.
These guys are your guys, right?
Pretty sure, yeah.
So, every time we come up on one of them, the helicopter's nearby.
Huh.
I'm starting to think that helicopter in the air is not one of yours. And that maybe we shouldn't go broadcasting our location and flying into it.
That's probably a good idea. They probably think we're just shitty tourists. Ow! Ah! I'm okay. I'm okay. Why are you in the air?
Ah! keeps doing this?
You have a very bad habit of staying, stuck, midair.
I'm coming down, I
Oh.
think. Stay behind me.
Okay. I feel like now would be a good time to wear that creepy armor.
No, you really should stop doing that. This does, yes, it does look
Hey,
familiar.
a book. Oh, I'm 3D printing now.
I filled it with oil. What are we making?
I don't know.
What did you tell it to make?
I don't know what I'll tell it to make. I just made it make.
Are those arrows?
Okay. We don't have a key card. Key card this. Oh,
Well,
guess we'll have to come back.